to picture, but right now it's on video, so I think I'm just going to keep this.
Did you read it? Yeah, it went off.
No, I'm fine to say picture. No.
Oh my God, now you can read it. Look for it and read it. It didn't take. Wait.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking video.
Go away. Daniel left. Why'd he go away?
Hey, ew! Ew! Oh, that's disgusting! I'm filming Tempest, signing the yearbook. Hi, Tempest. No, I'm closing up on your eye. Ah, scary eyeball. This is fun. You should spin her faster. Paddling through the air. Do the princess way. That's perfect. Hi, Heather. What are you looking at? Scribbling on.
I already licked it. Ow, it caught my neck.
That was awesome. The men are conversing. Lindsay, give me a sign off. I'm going to turn the video off. Give me a sign off, like...